Hey guys, thank you for visiting my channel today. Today I am here to show you how to make some fun padded hearts like this. You see how cute these are? I made these, found some fabric and was able to make them. My inspiration was obviously Maggie Holmes. I have never bought her padded hearts, but every time I saw them on someone's project, I saw it and I wanted it. You know, I wanted to buy it, but I just didn't want to have to keep forking out like $7 plus shipping on like 6 hearts. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna figure out how to make them myself. And this is what I did. So I have one here as part of a tag swap that I'm in. What I did was I stuck a stick pin right here in the corner with a little bead. This one I just embellished with a puffy heart. I mean a puffy butterfly and like a word phrase sticker. And this one I just created a tassel. So there's so many different things that you can do with these. I think they're fun, they're quick, and they're easy. The best part about it, you only need 3 things. The materials are cheap. And you can make as many as you want whenever you need them. The first thing you need is this fabric right here. This is called Ollie fabric, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's called Ollie, O-L-Y Fun Fabric. So it's Ollie Fun Fabric from Hobby Lobby. It's $2.99 a yard. Again, very cheap. I started off with 1/4 of a yard only because I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, but I mean, when I get a chance, after I finish this, I'm definitely going to go back and get more. So this actually works perfect. So this is Ollie fabric. I'll actually put a link in the description box to that fabric so you guys can, know, so you guys know where to go, what to look for. You can print it out when you take it to the store or whatever. So this is Ollie Fun Fabric. The second thing you need is batting. I didn't mean to get this batting. This is actually for quilts. I didn't want to get this because this actually comes in like a sheet because it's made specifically to use inside of a quilt. I actually wanted the one that you stuff pillows with, but this one works just as well. I just have to cut it a little smaller to fit. And then the third thing that you need is either a die or you can hand draw and hand cut your heart. So I'm using a die to make my shape. Like I said, you don't need a die. You can draw it yourself and cut it out. And I wouldn't suggest using it in a punch. The fabric is a little stiff, but I don't think it's stiff enough to hold in a punch. I've tried. The part of it cut out, the other part got caught up in there. So yeah, I'm gonna take this to my machine, to my die cutting machine. I'm gonna cut this out and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay guys, so I cut my heart out right here. And here we have 2 pieces, two of the same pieces. So basically all you do is you align it up. You're gonna have the metallic on both sides. So what I like to do is I use my glue gun. I've tried different adhesives and I found that the glue gun works the best. So we're going to just align it up, make sure that the point is aligned, and this is where we're going to glue first, right there. We're just going to squeeze it closed, okay? Now after that's done, we're just going to go around and we're going to stop like right here. So we're just going to continue to glue around the edge until we get to like right here, because we want to have this opening here because that's where we're going to stuff. So just take your time. You don't need a lot. Just make sure a thin amount of glue for the edge. Just make sure that your edges are aligned. Okay, and this is what we have. Okay, so at this point, you should have this opening right here. See? Because this is where we're going to stuff. This may be a little bit too small for some people, but you would know when you start working, you can stop wherever you need to make sure you have a big enough space right here to stuff this cotton. I've already cut my pieces. So basically, I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm just going to stuff it. And you want to push it up in the little curves up in here. Just make sure it's just evenly distributed inside. And once it's all the way in, look, you already have it formed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close it, and we're just going to seal the ends off like that. And like there's some, you see how that seeped out, this glue right here? That's no problem. So my scissors, we can cut that off. And just like so. And there you have it, your own puffy heart. That was so easy. That was so easy. So I love making these things. Like I am having a workshop over here. I have so many hearts that I've already, you know, made. I've tried some where I tried to sew, but like this one right here, this one didn't come out as good. I actually hand cut this heart out, but I have a few that I've already made, and I'm gonna make some more. So yes, like again, this is a very fun project. You know, I hope you guys have fun with it. The ideas are endless. It's cheap. You can make as many as you need, as you know, as you go. And you know, it's just all about having fun and just being creative. So I hope you guys, you know, find some inspiration from this tutorial. If there's anything that you guys missed or just didn't understand, please comment below and I will be happy to answer any questions for you. So until the next video, you guys, I hope you guys have a great day and talk to you later. Bye.